Hey, what's up, YouTube? This your boy. You can see if y'all light better right here. All right, this we go. What's up, y'all? This your boy, Mr.AlwaysFishing. I'm about to get out here and try to catch a tilapia too, man. I got some worms, and we just out here killing a couple hours of free time, man. We're gonna see if we can catch us a tilapia. Right now, I'm doing a line leader knot. I want to say it's called the modified Alberto knot. If y'all need to see this knot, just comment down below. I know I've been MIA for a long time, so yeah, consistency is not me. It's been a lot of moving parts going on in life right now, and fishing ain't been in the schedule. But now we getting back. We got a chance to come out here and kill a few hours and get some content for y'all. But hope y'all been good. I ain't seen y'all since almost like New Year's time. So yeah, man, things been going, man. Hopefully we get in this house soon. We should be closing in another week or two, so that's a good thing. I can make the garage a fishing like basically a tackle shop. Cause you know, as y'all don't know, I never really told y'all, but I really wasn't living, like I didn't really have my own house. But hopefully in the next week and a half, 2 weeks, I can get my own spot for all my fishing stuff. So content should improve, and the frequency of my uploads should improve too. So I should be coming to y'all with content a lot more often. It's just been a lot of stuff going on mentally, work life been crazy. So yeah, that's what's been going on. It's no excuse for not bringing y'all some content, but I'm back now, so that's what matters. Literally right after work, so I don't got no snippers, no pliers or nothing. I just got what I got. I stopped by Walmart and got a little couple worms and some hooks. So yeah, I got my line leaving knot. I got to get the hooks out for y'all. Some baby hooks. Let me see what's going on. Should be good enough. I do have a cast net just in case I do get skunked out here and I see some. I'm gonna throw the cast net on. We're gonna get us a fish today no matter what. I can promise you that. So we will be catching fish today, y'all, so just bear with me. Let's see what we can do. Question is, how many fish we gonna get? Oh yeah, money. That's big money. Let's get on the water, man. Let's go. All right, y'all, we finna put our waders on just in case we gotta get out here in the water a little bit. Get my little weight on. Get a worm. See what we can do, man. We just lost one. I don't know if y'all got that on camera or not, but we literally just had one on there. So I'm not concerned about if we're gonna catch them or not, because they down here. That's how I'm threading it on there. Can y'all see that? Nothing crazy. Just make sure it's on there a little bit. All we're doing is walking around the bank, just looking. I've seen a few already. See if we can get that one we just missed down here. That one was like a pink color too. It's crazy. Got a stick. That's funny. Thought I had a fish on there, bro. Freaking stick. It's hard to get a good cast because of this because of this wind. right there. Oh my goodness, come on. Hit it, hit it. I'm just trying to find out what a sweet spot is with this fish. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. First one of the day, y'all. Let's see that one here. Oh yeah, this one down here bigger than that last one I just had. God damn. It's crazy when all you see is yellow down there, or like white. That's crazy. Hope y'all can see. He is on it, bro. If he don't eat this thing, damn. He on it. He's on it. Dang. He don't want. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my God. Oh, that was a mistake. Dang. Hey, I'm gonna rope it back to him. He's trying to stay far away a little bit. I know what he's trying to do because he can see me. Keep putting this crappie jig in there over and over again. He's gonna get mad enough. He's gonna eat it. Look, he right down there on it again. I might just let it sit in there, bro. Oh my God, he's on it, bro. If he don't eat this thing, he playing hard to get. Go another one, y'all. I might catch them all today. I just sit it down there long enough and keep moving it. They'll eat anything. Yeah. That thing big, bro. Yes, sir. Everybody out here catching them. There you go. There you go. There you go. Go another one. Go another one. Out of another one. Ah, baby. It's what it is, man. God almighty. Put them right in the cooler so I can get in the oven. Yeah, y'all, we got on them a little decent today. A few of them. That's a slab, bro. All of them slab. That's a slab. Now that one down there really a slab. He real big. It's a sink size fish, man. All them sink size fish. And that's just killing a few hours after work. And that's it.